Steam mops are an updated cleaning solution for busy people. They can be utilized on nearly any sealed floor material, including tiles, laminates, and hardwoods. Overall, these products are advertised as presenting a deeper clean for flooring, without the elbow grease or harsh chemicals needed for mopping. But with so many products on the market, it is always challenging for the users to pick out the correct one. So in this video, we are going to show you some of the best steam mops out there on the market. Make sure to check out the description for more information and its latest pricing. The Steamfast SF-370 multi-purpose steam cleaner is a heavy-duty resolution for those who are serious concerning steam cleaning. Utilizing ordinary water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the multi-purpose steam cleaner efficiently and easily cleans and sanitizes a broad variety of surfaces. With professional steam power and a handy array of attachments, the multi-purpose steam cleaner is intended for tackling the toughest jobs throughout your house. The handy SF-370 even handles floors with the included steam mop attachments and 2 microfiber pads that are safe for all sealed flooring exteriors, including tile, wood, and laminate. An extra large capacity tank contributes 45 minutes of continuous steam, from shower doors to children's toys, barbecue grills, and countertops. There's no job too big or too small for the multi-purpose steam cleaner. The Bissell Symphony Pet All-in-One Vacuum and Steam Mop make cleaning up your pet mess simple by working as a vacuum cleaner and a steam cleaner in the identical machine. Unlike other steam mops, Symphony Pet vacuums up pet hair and debris while also steam cleaning, so washing your floors in just one easy step. Symphony Pet is safe to employ around kids and pets because it utilizes just water to naturally sanitize floors, which kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This floor steamer and vacuum are also safe on all sealed hard floors, including sealed hardwood, so you can substitute your other hardwood floor cleaners for this device. This innovative steam cleaner highlights the Drop IT tank technology, which, unlike other steam cleaners, means you don't have to reach into the dirty tank to empty it. Instead, just push the debris out and it's gone. Get your hard floors more distinct than you could have ever dreamed. The Bissell Crosswave is a revolutionary, all-in-one, multi-surface cleaning method that vacuums and washes floors at the same time. With a dual-action brush roll revolving at 3,500 RPMs and an innovative multi-surface cleaning liquid, the Crosswave cleans better than a sponge mop and a bucket in limited time. Plus, with the push of a button, you can seamlessly switch from cleaning hard floors to vacuuming and cleaning your area rugs. It highlights 2-tank technology to keep clean and dirty water separate. The fresh cleaning liquid is saved in one tank, and the dirty water and debris are caught in the other, so you never put filthy water back on your floors. Speaking of the floors, with the aid of the dual-action brush roll that revolves at 3,000 RPMs, mop and pick up dirt and debris from your hard floors to clean more beneficially than a sponge mop in more limited time. Guarantee that your floors are spick and span with the O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop. This product is specifically designed to make cleaning a breeze, so you have more time to do other things or rest. This adaptable steam mop involves a snap-on glider to refresh your carpets, as well as an added microfiber pad. It is also lightweight for comfortable handling, coming in at only 5 pounds. This model heats up immediately from plug-in to steam in as little as 20 seconds. This O-Cedar Clean Steam Mop is a useful family and eco-friendly choice, as it kills 99.9% of bacteria without utilizing any cleaning chemicals. It is suited for all sealed hard floor coverings, including wood, tile, vinyl, and laminate. It also sports a sleek look, making the job of cleaning as stylish as it can be. Whether you want to blast away raw stains, sanitize sealed hard floors, or switch to a portable handheld steamer for above-floor cleaning, the Shark Lift Away Steam Pocket Mop can do it all. Its next-generation characteristics make cleaning simple, quick, and easy. With the new IntelliMop head with touch-free technology, you can add and release the pad with the push of a button. Attack and free tough, stuck-on stains with a burst of targeted vapor from the Steam Blaster. And absorb more fluid with the new dual-sided dirt grip pads. Intelligent Steam Control presents 3 settings of variable steam so you can dust, mop, or scrub effortlessly. Want to clean above-floor areas with a quick push of a button? The Lift Away Pro becomes a portable handheld steamer to wash surfaces such as countertops or curtains. No matter what kind of cleaning you are required to do, the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop is your most reliable solution. If you live in a country that uses a different electrical system, you may want to use a converter for these products to operate. The Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is our most advanced and easiest to use steam mop ever, so you'll have the best solution for all your cleaning requirements. From everyday active cleanups to whole room deep cleaning. The Shark Genius Steam Mop not only washes your floors amazingly well, but its 3-setting electronic intelligent steam control also allows you to apply the perfect amount of steam in every situation. You'll get extra targeted steam power with the new Steam Blaster technology, a powerful burst of targeted steam that attacks and releases tough, stuck-on messes, eliminating them quickly and effortlessly. For tough mopping jobs where you require an additional boost of steam power, the Shark's Steam Blaster technology has you covered. Flip the mop head over and turn the mop handle back, and the unit will emit a mighty burst of targeted steam that blasts and loosens tough, stuck-on dirt and grime. Steam cleaning your floors is as simple as pushing a vacuum with the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. Unlike other steam cleaners, the PowerFresh has a flip-down, easy scrubber brush that tears up dirt and other compounds on the floor, so you don't have to get on your hands and knees and wash. This steamer has a smart set digital steam control, which allows you to decide how much steam you need to put on your floors, making it an excellent hard floor cleaner. It operates on all sealed hard floors, like tile, wood, and linoleum, so that it can replace your hardwood floor cleaners and other floor-type cleaning devices in your home. Furthermore, the natural power of a steam clean sanitizes your floors by killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria when you employ Bissell steam mops. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and show us your support. Have a great day!